Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris Barrientos, Claims Manager over here at Bellator Claims. And I'm doing kind of a solo one here, and it's great because obviously I love spreading the word, spreading the education. That's what we do best, and we obviously want to educate all of our followers to make sure that we're helping you succeed in getting your claims paid out fully and fairly. So, got a great topic here because this one's really, really debatable, and it has to do with ordinance and law. So, ordinance and law, basically, long story short, is if for some reason, let's say a jurisdiction or whatever requires that it needs to be brought up to code, then ordinance law will kick in with your claim. Now, ordinance law can have a cap to it. It can be listed in your insurance policy to where, let's say, maybe it's 10% of your total amount of insurance. So let's say you have a $7 million insurance policy on your commercial property, and ordinance law is 10%. You're looking at $70,000 or $700,000. I'm sorry. So now, can that bring you back to pre-loss condition? So one of the big major debates that we have is that should ordinance law go first before your coverage A has been completely exhausted? Taylor and I both disagree that it should not. We feel firmly that if you have ordinance law coverage, then it should be under coverage A. And then once coverage A basically means your, dwelling amount or coverage of the building, once that's been completely exhausted, then it should become over kind of that limit there. So again, this is just a topic where it's kind of a gray area. A lot of insurance companies are like, no, 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 no. We're sticking to this, specific policy language to where it basically states that, ordinance law, 10%, we're just using that amount. And even if you haven't covered even if you haven't exhausted your completely coverage A coverage. So if you're running a situation like that, you definitely got to get us involved. Again, the insurance policy is the most important thing. We follow that, but that is kind of a gray area. And so that's where our expertise can come into play to let you know that, hey, this should be under coverage A, or B, based off the policy language, it should be this. So if you're running any kind of issues like that, get us involved right away. We'll step in, we'll take a look at it and guide you on the right path or help you out, obviously, through the claim. One big thing, as you know, we are trying to reach 1 million followers. And so you're going to help us get there. And so please, if you like this video, which I'm sure you do, go ahead and like this video, comment on it, subscribe, and then share it with the world because we're going to need your help to get to that 1 million mark, and we will get there. It's just how soon can we get there? So I'd like to thank everyone for joining us here today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.